Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Elson and this is Elson Musi Ideas TV, where we share business ideas and the most we educate, we give you inspiration, we challenge you guys. So if you are new here, please subscribe this channel, share, like, give me like, please guys. So today our topic is about goat farming. So guys, I want to show you my goat. You can decide to be goat keeper, or you can decide to buy and sell. So guys, I want to show you my goat farming. I have some goat, 30 of them, small and big. So guys, I want to show you. So watch this video until the end, you learn something guys. So guys, I want to show you. You see, this is my cow. This is my cow. Yeah, Zinga. You see this one. Yeah, that is my cow. So and show you goat. So this is a kienyeji goat. Unajua kienyeji goat ndio hii sasa. Ukra. This is big bazoo. This is a big bazoo. This one goes to 15,000. You see, big bazoo. So this is goes 15,000. This goes less. This is 5,000. Small one we normally sell 3,000. Like like this, like this, like this, like this, 3,000. This 6,000. So guys, goat farming is very profitable. You can buy and sell, or you can keep. So guys, this business is very profitable. You can earn something. So guys, what I can tell you guys, consider farming, goat farming. It's a long-term business. What you need is just a patience. So guys, this is a part of business idea. Yeah, unaweza amua ufunge all unabai unapeleka market. Kufunga you must have patience. You're like me, I bought like 5 years ago, like this. I bought 5 years ago, but for now I can sell 15,000, and I bought 3,000. You see, patience pay. So guys, I hope mmeona. Yeah, so thank you guys, thank you very much guys. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me the up, and most important, click the notification bell, so when I post another video you can be #1 to see it. Remember, I just share you what I do. I normally say that what I do is what I share. So guys, this is my part of business. I told you guys I have many ideas of making cash. Many ideas of making cash. This is my part of my business. So guys, up country you can be rich in up country guys. Nani aliwaambia ati vijana wa ushago wananga pesa? Tunasilo ndio kuna pesa mabazuu. Sisi ndio mabazuu wa ushago guys. Ndio sisi tunashika buzi, but we are big guys. We are bazoo at ushago. So guys, even you can be bazoo. So guys, consider this business. I always share you. It's a small business. So consider those business, and you will thank me, guys. Not say ati I can't go to Shago. Mimi maisha yangu ni ya Nairobi, maisha yangu ni ya town. I can't go to Shago. Ati Shago kuna uchafu. Shago watu wanaane. So guys, I beg you guys, don't stay there and you say, oh, I can't go Shago. See my benefit since I came Shago 3 years back. Right now I can testify. First of all, just keep God, ask God, ask God, pray, guys, and they will answer your prayer, guys. So subscribe and share, give me thumbs up. Thank you guys, see you next season.